Yeah, 11 surprising facts about the circulatory system, but I don't want to read everything to you. But I was thinking about one thing because I heard once that actually blood vessels are too small for the blood. And this is the point of that. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood, and is vital for fighting diseases and maintaining homeostasis, proper temperature, and pH balance. The system's main function is to transport blood, nutrients, gases, and hormones to and from the cells throughout the body. The circulatory system is extremely long. If you were to lay out all the arteries, capillaries, and veins in one adult end to end, they would stretch about 60,000 miles, about 100,000 kilometers. What's more, the capillaries, which are the smallest of the blood vessels, would make up about 80% of this length. So it would span around 2.5 times around Earth. Capillaries are tiny, averaging about 8 microns, 1/3000th of an inch in diameter, or about a tenth of the diameter of a human hair. Red blood cells are about the same size as the capillaries through which they travel, so these cells must move in single file lines. So now, we know that our blood is red mostly because it contains iron. And I don't know if our heart is really able to pump all these small cells through all these kind of small veins. Like, I don't know, there must be a huge pressure. If you think about it, 100,000 kilometers, even though they are really small, but I guess there would be a huge pressure. So I was thinking about this. I don't know why, but I did. Blood is red because it contains iron. We have a global electric circuit and we have a human electric circuit. And things get pushed out and pushed in and pulled out and pulled in, and most of it happens electrically. There's the possibility that there's just some small changes and there's like ions moving somewhere else, and then you get another stuff thing what you need and it goes where it should. But my point is that is it possible that we have like this kind of, how to put it, like a sunspot or earth spot, or how to put it, these kind of things everywhere. And of course, inside the body, there could be other things which would attract, which would make the blood moving electromagnetically and not just the heart pumping. And since like just thinking, what is thinking? It's just like electromagnetic impulses interpreted by your mind, which is based on memories. And what do you, what your and mine, like our thoughts, have in common with the clouds in our sky? They're all held together by electricity. So, is there the secret force in our blood system? Electricity as well, which makes the blood really moving through those veins. Is there any possibility that there would be this kind of like auroral magnetic field which is pulling the red blood vessels where they should go and these kind of things through attraction and repulsion when the blood vessel which is bringing there some stuff to some cell or whatever has done its job, probably the polarity of it changes, and that's why the direction also changes, so it goes back. Could there be any possibility that this kind of mechanism would be existing in us? Like, it's not only the heart which makes the blood move, also electromagnetic forces pushing and pulling. Yeah, that's what I thought about. I leave it here. Thanks. Bye.